Is it working? There's like a huge lag from what I'm seeing. Ooh. Alright, I am opening my birthday gift from my bestie sissy, Robin. And I wanted to show you what she got me, and we will both have this reaction at the same time. So she always finds the cutest things, so I'm super excited to see what's in here. So first of all, right on top, we have these adorable gnome stickers. Well, a gnome sticker. These are definitely going to go on my bedroom window. I love these little clings. They're just the cutest. Thank you. And then we have some stickers for Emily, which are, let's take a quick peek. Ooh, oh, they're like goth. She's gonna love that. That is so cool. These are awesome. Oh, look at that one. These are so cool. Oh, I see Stitch. I see Stitch. You parted with Stitch? I can't believe it, Robin. All right, so those are for Emily. I will make sure she gets them. And then I've got the package 2 of stickers. And I see lots of, what is that? Ooh, so pretty. I'm gonna have to redo the stickers on my laptop. I am sitting here waiting for this stupid storm. So annoying. Last night I was supposed to go to a craft show and not too far from here. And of course, the storm was supposed to hit. And of course, it didn't. It slowed down. So I missed out on an event. And they went ahead and had it, but I chickened out and didn't go because crochet things don't really do well when they get wet. Oh my God, Robin. Girl, you are so talented. Look at this. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Girl, I am blown away. That is beautiful. Can't wait to get it framed. That is awesome. So impressed by you. You are so, so talented. All right, let's see. Oh, look. She sent me a Stitch. He'll go in my car. What's he got? Oh, he's drinking a coconut. So cute. Ugh, what is in here? It's a gnome. Oh, he's so cute. It's a little wind chime gnome. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. Ooh, Snow White. My Little Ponies. Oh, I love these little bags. My Little Ponies. We both love all these little... Oh, my God. Okay, so if you don't know, I am a huge... Is that a freaking hurricane on the... Talk about timing. Is that a hurricane? It looks like a hurricane. Anyway, if you don't know me, I am a huge playing card collector. Don't ask me why. Forgive my appearance. I just realized how awful my hair looked. Anyway, so I am a huge playing card fan. I have got a large, it's probably like a 3-foot square coffee table, and it has drawers on the front and back, and the drawers are like probably like that deep. I have got both of the drawers full of playing cards, and then starting on the little drawers on the top, So I've been collecting them for years and years and years. So she knows this, and look at these adorable little tiny cards. Where did you find these? But seriously, the hurricane? It's okay. It's fitting for Florida, right? Oh, gnome ribbon. How cute. Ooh. Pretty Disney sticker. I will put that on my car. My gosh, how much did you send me? Wow. So much in here. What is this? What is this? So excited. Oh, it's big. It's so big. Is it a gnome? Is it? Is it? Oh, Robin, where did you find this? She's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love her. Oh, thank you so much. I love you. This is beautiful. Wow. Oh, tear it up. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Robin. I love you. You're the best. I will see you guys later. I'm going to go cry now. Happy tears. So I love you all. Thank you for being here. Bye.